guys, the hygiene boss. I know some of you are wondering, she changed her name? Yes, I did. I was all over the place. I really didn't know my niche, what I wanted to do. I want to do so many things in life, and one of them is to help people, especially young women, young girls, you know, that are going through changes in their bodies or don't really know what's going on. So I decided to make my channel about feminine hygiene. So if you're new here, thank you for coming. And if you're not, thanks for coming back. Okay? So today we're going to be talking about vaginal odor. Okay? So I just want to say that what you eat contributes to your body odor. What you drink contributes to your body odor. If you're out here eating out every day, eating snacks, drinking soda, drinking juice, all that stuff, it's going to contribute to you. You're going to have a smell because all that bad stuff you put in your body, it's just toxins going into your body. What good is that doing you? None. Okay? If you drink water, lots of water, eat fruit, all that stuff, that'll help you. But if you out here every day eating out, eating snacks, all that, and you wondering why you having vaginal odor, baby, that's why. I also want to say that, you know, us females, we have a natural scent down there. No, it's not fishy. No, it's not stinky. Okay, but we do have a natural scent down there. When we sweat, when you sweat builds scent. Okay, if a guy goes play basketball and he's sweaty, he's gonna stink or he's gonna smell like sweat. So just know that if you're sweating and you have an odor down there, it's because you're sweating, not because something is wrong. I'm speaking off my own personal experiences. I'm speaking off my friends' experiences and the internet. Okay, so I did give some extra information from the internet, you know, just so I can give y'all a little bit of facts. But I've been through a lot of this stuff myself. When I was young, I didn't keep up with my body. I wasn't really all about hygiene. Even though I was a girl, I was young. So the things that I should have known, you know, my mother didn't really teach me about, oh, if you smell like this, it may be this. None of that. You know, I kind of had to figure it out on my own. I love my mother, but I'm just saying that certain things in that area, hygiene area, I wasn't taught about. So I kind of had to go on and figure it out myself, and now I'm able to give you what I've been through, what I've learned, and I hope that you take this information and you do some good with it. So I might be looking down a little bit. Like I said, I do have my notes right here. I took notes so I could give you everything that I had. So just listen. So today we're going to talk about vaginal odor. If you are dealing with vaginal odor, I'm going to give you some tips to get rid of it. So just make sure you guys are listening. Thank you. So BV could be one of the reasons that you're experiencing vaginal odor, okay? So BV is basically an overgrowth of vaginal bacteria. So vaginal bacteria comes from, like I said, what you eat, from wearing, you know, tight clothes and you're sweating, to like silk underwear. You know, you don't have any air going in there, so you need air going in there. So try to wear cotton underwear, 100% cotton. Also tight jeans. We want our girl to feel free. We want her to feel free. We want her to feel free because when she's free and she has air, it's not always moist. You know, I don't care what nobody say, your vagina is not supposed to be wet every second of the day at all. It needs air, okay? It needs to breathe. It's not supposed to be moist. That's actually how bacteria builds up. So for you girls out here thinking, oh, I'm wet every second of the day, it's not a good thing. Trust me. Also, you need to be mindful, once again, of what you put in your body. When you eat out, when you drink soda, when you drink juice, it's nothing but a bunch of toxins going into your body. We don't want that. You need to be careful about what soaps you're using. So a lot of you don't know, with soap, it's not supposed to go inside of your vagina. You're supposed to wash your body and wash the outside of your vagina. You're not supposed to go inside of your vagina with soap. You're supposed to wash your vagina with pure water. You can ask your doctor. It's a fact. You might notice, right? Sometimes when you wash with soap, you be thinking, oh, I got a yeast infection. I got a yeast infection. Or you still smell, you know, after a couple of hours, you got to get in the shower again. That's because the soap is not doing anything but throwing your pH balance off. Any kind of soap. Yes, I'm talking about Dove too. It throws your pH balance off. All these soaps say sensitive this, sensitive that, but to be honest, the ingredients that are in the soaps are not good for you. So when you're putting that stuff inside of you, all you doing is creating a problem. And we don't want that problem, ladies. Come on, we don't want it. So you have to be mindful of what you're putting on your body, because, or putting inside of your body, because at the end of the day, all you're doing is creating a problem if you're not doing your research on what you're putting on your body or put it inside your body. Granted, we buy things sometimes and don't really think about, oh, I wonder what this ingredient, this thing is made out of. Okay, I get it. But when it comes to your vagina, you should be extra careful. Extra careful. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Also, for my girls that are sexually active, I know that, you're gonna do what you're gonna do. But one thing we have to know is that your body, treat your body like the diamond no one can afford, okay? I'm gonna say that again. Treat your body like the diamond no one can afford. And I say this, and I really say this because we love our men. We love our boyfriends. We love doing what we do with them. Of course, because it makes us feel good. But what doesn't feel good is the infections we may get behind it. So if you're having unprotected sex with your boyfriend and you're letting him do his business inside of you, you need to really cut back on that. I can't tell you to stop completely because it's your preference. Maybe you're doing it just to make him happy. That's what he like. But when a male does that inside of you, right? It's not doing anything, but it's just bacteria coming together. Your juices, his juices, just bacteria. And then it's sitting in there for you girls who don't like to take a shower to the next day, or to a couple hours after, or like to lay there, go to sleep, then wake up and get in the shower. Yeah. And it's sitting in there, and you thinking, oh, because you went to the bathroom and you sat on the toilet and peed, that it's all out. It's not. Okay? It's not. And to be honest, you should know a little bit better than that. When that happens, when he does that inside of you, that causes vaginal odor, especially if it's consistent. I don't know if a lot of you know, but when the semen and the female bodily fluids mix together, it creates a scent. So when you let a man do his business inside of you, all that's doing is adding on to bacteria that you already got inside you, which is creating a scent, which is creating infection. So you have to be careful, ladies. You have to be careful. I know some of these teenagers out there is doing it too. Y'all on birth control. Y'all think y'all hot. This is what y'all do. But listen, if you want to be fresh, don't leave that mess inside of you. Okay? Unless you're trying to get pregnant. Then that's a whole nother different story. We want to be fresh down there. We want to be clean. We want to smell nice. But in order for that to happen, you have to take the right steps. So I'm trying to give you the right steps. You have to take your vitamins, ladies. Your probiotics. Probiotics will keep you nice and fresh down there. Nice and fresh. I mean, all day, no scent. Probiotics, I'm telling you. Please take your probiotics. If you do not have any, they sell them at Rite Aid. They sell them at Walgreens. Hell, you might even find some at Walmart. But they sell them. So you need to make sure that you keeping your body healthy. Your pH balance needs to be on track. Once again, drink water. Eat right. You're not going to eat right every day, but you can't be eating out every day either. So you need to be careful when you're doing that, because once again, you're creating a problem. Treat your body like the diamond no one can afford. No one. We do not have time for that. We don't have time for these games. We don't got time for this pain. We ain't got time for that itching, the burning, the discomfort, the smell. We don't want that. So you have to be careful. Okay? You have to be careful. After sex, wash up. Just wash up. Sometimes I know, for people who still live with their parents, if you have sex and, you over this other person's house, you might not leave right away, to go home and take a shower. But when you get home, if it's 3 hours later, 2 hours later, an hour later, 6 hours later, as soon as you get home, you need to be taking a shower, because all that bacteria, all that sweat from when y'all two was just, doing your business, all of that is still sitting on your body. So you have to take a shower. These things that are causing vaginal odor, we can prevent, but we have to be willing to do the work. How sacred is your area? How important is having a non-smelly vagina to you? You have to make the first choice and take the first step into a healthy vagina. Like, it's no other way. It's no other way. So we're going to do these things to prevent the vaginal odor or get rid of the vaginal odor. But like I said, it has to start with you. It has to start with you. Not me, but you. I'm here to help you. That's it. That's all. Make sure that you treat your vagina like the diamond no one can afford. And you'll be okay. You will be okay. Okay? So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I'll be uploading these videos weekly. As long as you keep coming back, just keep coming back. Show some support. Let's get my channel to 5K. And thank you. Thank you so much for watching.